road, headlights cutting through the night. A place I swore I'd leave behind, but something about it feels so right. Dust on the windows, paint peeling slow. But home ain't a place, it's the hearts you know. It's a small town sundown where the stars shine bright. A little bit of home in the pale moonlight, where the front porch swings and the memories stay. Ain't no place I'd rather lay. Neon glow from Cassie's diner, laughter spilling through the door. Sheriff Hank keeps the town in line just like his daddy did before. Folks round here, they know your name, and some things never change. It's a small